What if you could launch a profitable Facebook or Instagram ad in under 3 minutes using nothing but artificial intelligence? No experience, no complicated strategies, and no need for a designer. Sounds unbelievable? Let us show you how. Meta ads are powerful, but let's be honest, they can be intimidating. There are too many confusing buttons, endless targeting options, and designing ad creatives feels like a full-time job. Even worse, you might spend money and see zero results. That is where artificial intelligence steps in and completely changes the game. Imagine this. You simply type in your product or service, and AI instantly generates everything you need: ad copy, headlines, creatives, and even your targeting strategy. You hit publish and you are live. Yes, it really is that simple. AI does the heavy lifting, so you get the clicks, leads, and conversions without the stress or guesswork. Let's break down the top AI tools you can use right now to launch Meta ads in minutes. First, AdCreative.ai generates high-performing visuals and headlines tailored to your niche. For writing ad copy, tools like Copy.ai or Jasper craft your message like a professional marketer. No more writer's block. Meta's own Advantage Plus campaigns, or Meta Advantage Plus, automates audience targeting and placement using advanced AI. If you want something even easier, Predis.ai takes your product description and delivers a complete ad campaign. Images, captions, hashtags, and more. Let's walk through the process. Start by going to AdCreative.ai. Type in your offer, for example, get 20% off luxury scented candles. Next, choose your audience. AI can help here, or you can let Meta auto-optimize. Instantly, AI creates your ad banner, selects trending formats, and writes compelling copy. Hit export, upload to your Meta Ads Manager, and you are done. The entire process takes less than 3 minutes. The return on investment is real, and you can do it all from your laptop or even your phone. Who can benefit from this? E-commerce store owners, coaches and course creators, freelancers and agencies, small business owners, and even affiliate marketers. AI helps you create compliant, scroll-stopping ads fast. There is no need to hire a copywriter, designer, or strategist. With AI, you are the entire team. You just focus on selling, while Meta's AI handles the technical details. Still worried about targeting? Meta's Advantage Plus AI studies real-time behaviors, engagement signals, and purchase history, then auto-optimizes your budget. Use retargeting to warm up cold leads. Test 2 or 3 versions of your creative. AI can generate them instantly. Run ads at off-peak hours for cheaper clicks. Plug your data into uplevel.ai for even more optimization suggestions. 3 years ago, this was impossible. But in 2025, AI tools are mature, tested, and ready for action. What used to cost thousands in agency fees now takes just 3 minutes. Want more AI-powered marketing tutorials? Subscribe and tap the bell. Drop your product or business in the comments, and you might get a live walkthrough next.